Chapter 6. More on MS Paint. MS Paint is a program which can be used to draw, color, and edit pictures. In MS Paint, you use different tools for drawing and painting. In this chapter, you will learn about some more tools which are used in Paint. More tools in MS Paint. Let us learn about some tools in MS Paint. They help us to draw and make colorful pictures on the computer. Pencil tool. It is used to draw with a free hand, just like using a real pencil. For using the pencil tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the pencil tool. Step 2. Select the width and color of the pencil from the size and colors groups. Step 3. Move your mouse to the area where you want to draw. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag it to draw your line. Fact bit. To draw a straight line, you can press the Shift key with the Line tool. To know the name of a tool, place the cursor over it and it will show the name. Text tool. This tool helps you to add alphabets and numbers in your drawings. For using the text tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the text tool. Step 2. Click and drag the pointer on the drawing area where you want to write the text. Step 3. A dotted box will appear with a blinking cursor inside it. Type the text in it. Step 4. You can also choose the font size, color, and style from the options at the top. Fill color tool. It helps you to add beautiful colors to your drawings. For using the fill tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the fill color tool. It looks like a paint bucket. Step 2. Choose the color you want from the color palette. Step 3. Click inside the area you want to color, like the walls of a house, door of the house, etc. Color picker tool. This tool is a very interesting tool. It allows you to pick the color from your drawing without going into the color selection. For using the color picker tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the color picker tool from the tools group. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer over the object you want to pick the color from, like the door, and click once. Step 3. You will see that color 1 option in the colors group has changed to the color you picked. Step 4. Now, choose the fill color tool, the paint bucket. Move the pointer to the area you want to color, like the roof, and click once to fill it with the brown color you selected. Magnifier tool. This tool helps you zoom in on parts of your picture in MS Paint. For using the magnifier tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the magnifier tool. Step 2. Move to the drawing area and click on the part of the picture you want to zoom in on. A rectangular shape appears and you can see the particular portion in zoom. Saving a file. It is very important to save your drawing after finishing the work so that you can open it for later use. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the name of the file in the File name box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. Smart Bit. Press Ctrl+S to save your drawing. Brushes tool. This tool helps you create different lines, shapes, and textures, just like using real paint brushes. Step 1. Click on the brushes icon. Step 2. Choose the brush style you want to use. Step 3. Now, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and start painting. Smart Bit. Press Ctrl+N keys to create a new drawing. Opening a saved drawing. To open an existing drawing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired file name from the list of the files. Step 4. Click on the Open button. Smart Bit. Press Ctrl+O to open an existing drawing. Selection image. Selection helps you choose a part of your drawing so you can change it. Selection is of 2 types: rectangular selection or freeform selection. For using the Select option, follow the steps below. Step 1. Click on the Select drop-down list in the image group. Step 2. Click on the rectangular selection or freeform selection option. Step 3. Drag the pointer to the required part of the drawing. Step 4. After selecting it, you can delete it or drag it out of the picture. Chapter Highlights. In MS Paint, tools help you to draw many different things. The pencil tool is great for freehand drawing. The magnifier tool lets you zoom in on parts of your drawing. The select tool is used to edit any part of the picture. Brushes allow us to draw with thick or thin lines. The color picker tool helps you to choose specific colors for drawings. The text tool lets you write words and add text to our pictures.